Stop what you're doing, stop whatever you're doing, and subscribe. Or I ain't showing you nothing. How about that? Oh, you subscribed? Good. All right. You want to learn how to clean headlights inexpensively and quick? This is what I use. Acetone. What it does is it get rid of the oxidation, and it does it quick. First, let's make this video quick, so let's jump into it. See how foggy this Impala headlight is? Yeah, terrible. If you want to go from that to this, do as I say. First, I clean it off with Purple Power. That is Purple Power. It's a super degreaser. And I use a microfiber cloth. No other cloth. Microfiber only. No paper towels. No terry. No dry towels. No face towels. Microfiber only. If I can open the have to do exactly as I do. Maybe 4 inches in length. What you do is you put the acetone on one side as you have folded it. And then you swipe, starting from one end, going to the next. Can you see that? Can you tell the difference? Instant. I'm talking about instant. It's already dry because it's acetone. It's not wet. It's not foggy. Alright, see, I've swiped it with this end. Now you have to flip it. You cannot swipe using the same end. You cannot swipe using the same end that you used initially. Because it would sort of be like cross-contamination because it lifts. Yeah, so you don't swipe using the same side that you started with or initially. You want to flip the towel. Like, it's sort of like cross-contamination because it lifts the oxidation, and you can transfer the oxidation back onto the headlight lens, and you can sort of eat through the plastic, but you know, you do it once and you'll be good. Big difference, right? Like I said, I already used one side, so I just keep flipping until I find a side that doesn't have evidence of oxidation. Because like I said, you don't want to transfer it. Yeah, you see that's one swipe. See the difference? It's the line. It's not wet. It's no tricks, no gimmick. And I guarantee you that I am the only one that uses this technique. Ooh. Not much. It doesn't take much. You do not want it to run across the lens, because if the acetone runs across the plastic lens, it will streak and you cannot get it out. Because it's like the acetone is eating the acrylic that's in the lens. Flip to the other side. Would you look at there? It's like fucking magic. Excuse my language. But I've been keeping this secret for approximately 8 years. It's a technique I use while detailing a car that I'm about to sell. Because you know I'm self-employed and I do everything for myself. So if everybody know my technique, hey. But anyway, that's it. 10 times better. A couple swipes of the wrist.